I would like to know from the minister why these cases are pending.
Because sir, totally आमच्याकडे 1,50,000 approximately आम्ही cases sanction केले. त्याच्या उपरांत we had put a cap on the total amount of applications of Grah Aadhar. As far as honorable member is asking me about a question specific to why this has been pending. आता हल्लीच जेन्ना आमचे माजी मुख्यमंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर आशिल्ले तेन्ना आमी एक थर स्टडी करपाक आमी घेतलेले, पण तेजे उपरांत म्हाका दिसता आतां आमचे कडेन स्लॉट्स जे अवेलेबल आसतले ते आसतले कमीत कमी 15 ते 20,000 वी विल हॅव अगेन स्लॉट्स अवेलेबल अँड दोज ॲप्लिकेशन्स विल मूव फर्दर. आय वॉज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू द डायरेक्टर. We are now again getting into the process of printing more forms so that they will be available in the department. But whatever is the backlog, I think in the next month or so, once this is in place, we will be able to release at least those number of applications that have been pending for a long time.
गेल्ले असेंब्लीक आमकां रिप्लाय मेळ्ळो कितें तुमी इन्क्वायरी करता म्हणजे कितें डुप्लिकेट जालां कितें जालां वेदर दॅट इन्क्वायरी हॅज बीन कंप्लिटेड आनी कंप्लीट जालें जाल्यार डीड यू फायंड आउट एनीथींग इन दॅट हाऊ मेनी
that's
duplicate cases or whatever it is?
No, I would, Speaker sir, I would
Survey
like
you have
to
done, yeah.
inform the honourable leader of opposition is that out of 1,52,000 approximately capped total beneficiaries, there's been a deletion of approximately about 15 to 20,000 cases.
Ladli Lakshmi, 1 day, 2 days, or whatever, so they could be given some relaxation from your side.
Yeah, about 30 days. I think 30 days is fair.
That would have been
days,
fine, yeah.
30 days is okay, not more than 30 days.
Not more than that.